Yo, what's up? It's your boy Marwin, Food Fidelity. Today we're making one of my favorite dishes, crawfish étouffée. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to build flavor step by step. Get a nice smooth roux. And most importantly, show you how to balance spice, richness, and the étouffée texture that you were looking for. Meet me in the Food Fidelity kitchen where flavor has a rhythm and every dish has a soundtrack. Let's get to cooking. You don't cook étouffée fast. You don't cook it loud. You cook it deliberate. Because crawfish étouffée, that's not just a dish. That's Louisiana telling you how to take a little and make it feel like plenty. First thing, you build your roux. Not dark, not reckless. We talking old gold. Flour and fat, stirred steady, like you got nowhere else to be. That color, like a penny that's seen some years. That's where the flavor lives. You rush it, you burn it. And burnt roux, don't forgive. Onions, bell peppers, celery. You drop them in and they hiss back at you. That's the sound of the base being built. You stir, let them soften, melt into that roux. This ain't just vegetables. This is history. This is how Cajun kitchens stretch flavor without stretching the wallet. Now you bring in the garlic just long enough to wake it up. Then comes your liquid, chicken stock. Not too much. This ain't soup. Étouffée means smothered. You want it thick, rich, coating that spoon like it's got something to say. Hot sauce, not for heat, but for depth. Worcestershire sauce for that dark baseline flavor. And fish sauce, yeah, I said it. A few drops, and suddenly everything tastes like it's been cooking all day. That's how you cheat time without disrespecting it. Now, those crawfish tails, don't fight it. That's real life cooking. You thaw them right, drain them, and then fold them in gentle. They don't need long. 5, maybe 10 minutes. You overcook them, they turn rubbish. And rubber don't belong in a pot built on patience. You want that gravy to hold, not stiff, not runny. If it's too thick, a splash of stock. If it's too thin, let it ride. It'll tighten up like it knows what it's supposed to be. That's the dance, baby. Now listen close. Green onions don't go in early. They don't get cooked down into nothing. You fold them in late. That's your freshness, your contrast, your reminder that even slow food needs a little brightness. Now, you serve this over rice because rice stretches the meal. Rice feeds the table. That's how families made it work. One pot, one base, everybody eats. Maybe you add a little extra stock, a little extra roux, make it go further. Because étouffée ain't just about flavor, it's about feeding people. And when you sit down, you taste the layers, smoke, heat, depth, that quiet richness that don't need to shout. That's a cook who understands time, understands costs, understands care. Because in the end, anybody can follow a recipe, but this is about knowing when to stir, when to wait, and when to feed, more than just hunger. Yeah, today's song pairing is a hip hop track, one of my favorites, Space Age Pimpin' by 8 Ball and MJG. It's really the last part of the song where it's just the beat and the vocals from the lady who's guest on the song. You know, she make it hard for my guy to leave. It's kind of like this dish. You want to savor it, but at the same time, you want to eat it all as fast as you can. So it's just like that dilemma. Do you stay? Do you go? Do you stay? Do you go? Do you eat it all? Do you save some? Do you take your time? It's tough. It's hard out here for a pimp. That's what's up. The dish has got it all. It's got flavor, it's got smells, it's got texture. Everything is working. So if you make the dish and you dig it, hit that red subscribe button. Get updates each week. Feel free to leave a comment as well. Abide with that. Until then, peace out. Word.